Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Haute Modesty. Today, I have a Bolzano bag unbagging or unboxing. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Hello, my beautiful wildflowers and guests. I hope you guys had a great day. Today's been a rough day for me. I mean, it's been a rough day. Of course, I have my day job, but with that, I gone ahead and recorded 2 different videos for you guys. And one you should have already seen one of them, definitely, which is the unboxing of the BoxyCharm, the base box. And then right after that, I did a look using the Peak palette and the products that were inside. And because I ran out of room on my computer, because I had some videos that I haven't processed yet, I accidentally deleted them. And then, of course, I reformatted my whole camera, so I didn't have that either. So, I said, you know what, I got to record something, and I didn't have the energy to do the makeup again. So here I am, boxing the purse. So, well, that's enough of that. But anyway, we all have those days. And today I do feel like a hot mess because it's just been a rough day. And so what Bolzano's is, it's a handbag subscription, and you get a bag every month. And there's 3 different types. You have just the bag alone, you have a bag with accessories, and you have a bag with accessories and makeup. And so the one I have here is with the accessory, and those are $33 a month. And then for $10 more, you get the makeup with it. But I don't bother doing that because I have so many other subscriptions for makeup that I mean, a purse company giving makeup, it just, not my thing. So I'm just going to be unbagging the purse and the accessories. And how this works is that you fill out a profile just like anything else. You let them know the colors you absolutely don't like, and you tell them what type of styles you like. You like small bags, medium bags, large bags. Do you like the Soho type? Do you like the what do they call those, satchel type? Do you like a crossbody? And so what I did was I said, just whatever, give me all of it. I like it all. And so I have a mixture of it. Some people just like big bags. Some people like little bags. But I asked for whatever. But I was just only very restrictive on colors. Like, I don't want yellow. And I think I said I didn't want blue because I have a few blue bags already. And there's only so many blue bags. And black also. So we'll see what I have. So anyway, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and open this. And the thing is, they don't come in a box. They come in a bag like this. And you know what? I'm going to see if I can just tear it through here because I'm afraid to cut it, with the little box cutter. But inside of the bag, how it comes, sorry about that, all this noise. How it comes is it comes in a dust cover. And wow, it says Bolzano. It's been a while since I've seen them give this type of dust cover. It usually doesn't have anything on there. And so I guess they're kicking it up a notch again. So, okay. So anyway, here's the bag. And then it comes with a cute little tie. And you just save this so you can put it back in here because it is a dust cover bag. So when you're not using it. So it says here, you deserve to be spoiled. That's what the little tag says with a little ribbon. And so let's see what we got here. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pull out the accessories first and see what's in here and what it says about the bag. So let's get it started. Yeah. I'm exhausted, but it's okay. And they're a little late on my bag. And so I'm hoping that this is my November bag. And it's been really weird. I don't know what the heck. Okay. First, you have a card like this, and it tells you about the bag. And so let me tell you what it says. It says, it says what? New subscription offer. Presenting subscriptions for scarves and sunglasses lovers. Oh, that's new. I like scarves, but probably not the kind of scarves I wear though. But I do like sunglasses too. Receive a scarf, sunglasses, and matching pouch every month along with the beauty items. It's called the Couture subscription. It's $10 more a month, which is $59 a month. That's not bad, depending on what you get. So anyway, let me tell you about the bag that I received. It says, congratulations on signing up to receive surprise and styling each month. This month, we've chosen our Albe, A-L-B-E, Albe especially for you. It's constructed from PETA certified vegan leather and has a retail value of $185. Rodolfo is part of our latest collection. It comes in black eggplant taupe. What we love about this bag is lightweight, quilted accents, purse feet. Purse feet? Purses have feet? Oh, those little metal things that goes underneath. So I told him, ooh. Yeah, structured shape and gunmetal hardware. Okay. All right, well, I'm looking forward to just look at it, but let's look at the accessories first. They don't tell you about the accessories. Oh, okay, I've seen this before. I think this is a... Oh, I think it is. Well, what is it? It's a brush. It goes into the... it goes into your purse, I think. But I can't get it open. What it is it's like a brush that you throw into your bag. I don't want to break it. And, you know, you brush your hair with it, and then you just close it, but I didn't see anybody else having so much problems with this. Hold on a minute here. Wow, that was really weird. Here it is. And, I mean, it looks like you're supposed to, there's like a button that you push, but there really isn't one. And so this is a brush that you, and then you put it in your bag, just like that. See, now it gets hard to pull out again. So I'm not going to do that again. So let's leave that aside. Okay, so the next accessory that I received, it looks like earrings. And they are. And they put them in 2 different bags. That's nice. And let's see. And these are, it looks like it has some cultured pearls. And it's a hoop or loop or whatever you call this. I think it's called a hoop, right? See? Let's see. There it goes. It's very cute. Yeah, I could actually wear these underneath, you know, like let it stick out like that. Kind of sort of like that, you know, but not like that. So anyway, okay, that is the accessories that I received, which is the brush and the earrings. That's okay. And then now let's take a look at the bag. Okay. All right, and I really didn't want black bag, but okay, I must not have told them no black bags because I got a black bag. And here it is. Oh, actually, it's very nice. It says Bolzano's here. I don't know if you can see that. And it's quilted. Oh, it's very soft. It smells kind of funny because, you know, it's vegan leather, which is like polyurethane. Pretty much what it is. Okay. Oh, look how cute this is. It has a little quilted bag here, like a wallet. And you could actually take this off. Oh, look. It has a little Bolzano bee on it. And, oh, it's quilted nicely. And look, this is where you put your change purse and then you can hook it back up. Huh. And then, let's see what else. I'm going to go ahead and take this piece off. One of these days, I'm going to give these away too because I'm getting too many purses now too. So, yeah. Okay, here we go. That's that. I'm just getting the plastic off so I can show it to you better. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, it comes, as you notice, with the zipper. And so we will unzip this. And inside here, of course, there's always a stuffing. So let's pull the stuffing out. Pull the stuffing out. And then, of course, your silica packets to keep the bags fresh. I usually leave them in there. And also, let you know some of the things you can do with silica bags. Don't throw them away ever. Because I saved them and I have like a whole container of them from everywhere. And what you do is if you go to like the beach or something and you don't want things to get wet, you might be moisture, you just throw it in your bag. Yeah. I don't know if I explained that right, but yeah. Okay, so there is 2 pockets in here, one for glasses and one for like a phone, you know, those pockets. And then there is a zippered pocket. That's right here. zipper pocket. I don't know if you guys can see inside the bag, but it's a pretty roomy bag. It's very nice. I like this. And let's see, and it's got nice silver hardware. And that's the thing, they make the hardware and everything is so nice, you know? And I can't believe how cheap these things are, how inexpensive, I should say, not cheap. So here it is. And then this is what it looks like. Isn't this beautiful? And here's the quilted, like this. And then you can put the, you can put this either this way, or, let's see. Oh my God, it's like I have like 5 thumbs. And you can put it like this, or you can like put it this way if you want to quilt it, you can do that. And so that's that. So that's not bad. So like I said, I mean, this is a great deal. And oh yeah, and the feet. This is the purse feet. So that way when you're putting it down somewhere, the purse, bottom of the purse doesn't get scuffed up or dirty. Okay. So, alrighty then, that's it, guys. Anyway, if I added any value, please give it a like. And if you have not subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing. And ring that bell so that way you will know every time I upload a video. And as I always say to my beautiful wildflowers, don't sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.